Nature has always been a source of incredible inspiration. Scientists and inventors look closely at the world around us. From the smallest insect to the tallest tree, nature holds countless secrets. One remarkable example is the design of the kingfisher's beak. This bird dives into water with hardly a splash, thanks to its streamlined beak shape. Inspired by this, engineers created the front of high-speed trains that cut through air quietly and efficiently. Another fascinating natural marvel is the lotus leaf. Its surface repels water and dirt effortlessly, staying clean even in muddy ponds. This idea led to the development of self-cleaning paints and coatings for buildings and cars. Geckos can climb smooth walls with ease. Their feet have tiny hair-like structures that create strong adhesion. Using this concept, researchers developed new adhesives that stick without glue. By studying evolution, we develop efficient, eco-friendly solutions. Nature-inspired invention means applying natural principles to address human challenges. The future of innovation depends on observing our surroundings and letting nature lead. Subscribe.